Dear friends, 2.3 pronunciation, uchcharane, memorization and usage of the Kannada letters. See, the first step in learning any language is to become proficient in pronunciation, which is called uchcharane. Usual recognition, ಗುರುತಿಸುವುದು, usual recognition, ಗುರುತಿಸುವುದು of printed letters through observant process. Understanding of the words, memorization, ನೆನಪಿನಲ್ಲಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದು. Memorization means ನೆನಪಿನಲ್ಲಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದು. Memorization of the same and use them appropriately. Okay. For this purpose, the Kannada vowels and consonants and their equivalent English and Hindi versions are given in table 2.7, 2.8 and 2.9. The understanding of English letters specifies how the Kannada letters are to be pronounced. See, ಸ್ವರಗಳು, vowels, ಉಚ್ಚಾರಣೆ, vowels pronunciation. Now we will see table 2.7, Kannada vowels, how to pronounce Kannada vowels. See, a, how to pronounce? See, at, America, upside, urge, aside, Australia, Africa, on, arch, ask. See, it, ink, Indonesia, equal, east, issue, paying, pay, his, biggie, I, east, Ishvara, easy, Pete, jeep, seat, neat. Then you, Uttarakhand, Urdu, Upanishad. Then Urjit Patel, Upi, Ooze, Ru, Rushi, Rushi, saint. Rushi means saint in Kannada. Rushi is pronounced as Rishi in Hindi. Okay. Ru has become obsolete. Eight, agree, etching, estimate, X-ray, elephant. Aeroplane, aerial, air, Asian. AI, elephant. Eiffel Tower, identity, isometric, Iceland. Original, oval, oral, go, through, though. Oat, overtime, own, Olite, Au, Au, Aurangabad, Ol, Outgrowth, Out. See, this is Swaragalu, and then comes Vyanjanagalu, structured consonants, Ucharane. See, table 2.8, Kannada structured consonants. See, K, how to pronounce K? Cut, custodian, country, compare, kedwar, kerchief, curbstone, Khalnayak, a Kannada and Hindi word, Khalnayak. G, Galaha, Galenik, Gazette, Girl, Girder, Government, Gulf, Gum, Gun, Gaggle, Google, Big, Gha, Ghana, an African country. N, no pronunciation. Cha, Chimply, Church, Chubby, Chuckle, Chunk, Chum, Ch, Chhatrapati Shivaji, J, Just, Germanium, J, Jhansi Rani, Lakshmi Bhai, Jharkhand, Iyna, next To, Taboo, Tantula, Terminal, Ton, Tunnel, Turbo, Turkey, Turn, T as in Takkar. Takkar is a Kannada and Hindi word meaning thief in English. Double, dough color, done, dozen, dubbing, duck, dump, dust. Pronounced as the with higher pitch and loudness. N, as a Anna Hazare. Thermic, thermometer, third, 30, thorough, thunder, Thursday. Pronounced as with higher pitch and thus, that. Dha, Dharmaya, head of Pandavas. Dharmaraya, head of Pandavas. Nothing, none. Pa, Parmesh, Paramatma. Phaf, first. Bust, bun, pardon, balloon. Bha, Bharat, brother of Bhagwan Sri Ram. Bharatha, brother of Bhagwan Sri Rama. Mummy, monkey, money, mud. These are structured consonants and then unstructured consonants. Uchcharane, pronunciation, unstructured consonant pronunciation. See, Kannada unstructured consonants. Y, young, yummy, yum, r, arye, run, rung, rust, Russia, rural, London, love, laconic, lacuna, one, own, word, worst, version, water, workasius, sha, Shakila, Sharif, Shatabdi Express, SHA, Shut, Shovel, Sun, Summer, Summary, Sulfur, Subway, Somebody, Sun, Hulk, Hull, Hum, Hamim, Haim, Hajj, Hazard, LLA, no in Hindi letter. LA sound is rarely used in English but common sound in many Kannada words like in Bengaluru, Belagavi, Mangaluru. Ksha. No English words start with letter Ksha. One of the example of English word where it appears as Ksha in auto rickshaw. The word starts Ksha and much used in Indian language are Kshama, forgiveness, Sanskrit and Kannada. Kshama, Kshatriya, Hindi and Kannada. Moksha. Okay. Last Jna. Jna as in Sarvajna. Name of Kannada poet Jna is to be pronounced as Jna along with Sarvajna. These are pronunciations. Okay. Thank you.